So what we are looking at is a suspended model of Sierra.ev. So this is the QWD version. You can see everything is displayed. It's been hanging from this mount. And let's see, this is the rear wheel drive. This is the RWD section. So you have this. You can see the suspension. It's got a glide suspension, and you see just the rear. And you have this. Everything is like a cut section over here. That's the rear motor, and then you have this battery pack. Here it's the battery pack, and then you can see everything is suspended. You can see the interiors as well. So here are the interiors of the car. It's kind of a unique way to display whatever it is in the car. So here you can see. So these are the but powered seats. You see, then you have this. So it's the alloy section. Then you have the motor, the front one. This one is a 3-in-1 motor, 3-in-1 powertrain you have. So from here, this is kind of a unique way to demo the vehicle. So that's the front section. So here you have this. That's the motor. Quite a unique way to explain the vehicle. Showcase.